Don't worry, I will be back soon.
Son, why are you crying?
Please don't leave me, Dad. I will be alone. We lost Mom, and you are also leaving.
You want to disgrace us? We shall see.
Why are you so careless? Get out of my house now!
Get out of here right now! You are still here? Get out!
Congratulations, Officer Carter.
Thank you, sir.
Your dedication is noted.
I appreciate it, sir.
Keep up the good work.
Yes, sir.
Dad, do you really have to go?
Yes, Elle. It is part of my duties as a citizen. Don't worry, I will be back before you know.
But Dad, I will really miss you. But since it's your duty, I get it.
Son, why are you crying?
Please don't leave me, Dad.
Elle, it is an honor to serve our country. Doing what is right is always the best decision.
But I will be alone. We lost Mom, and you are also leaving.
This is your uncle's house, Elle.
Will I be okay here?
Yes, son, you will. Don't worry, I will be back soon.
Okay, Dad.
Oh, yes, please come in.
Robert, I'm leaving Elle in your care. Treat him like your own son.
Of course, you can trust me.
He'll be comfortable here.
So, Elle, how was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Feel free to ask for anything you need.
Elle? I think I will love it here.
I really love it here. Lyra, we are going to spend a fun time together.
Yeah. Uncle, oh, why is my food so small?
Your father hasn't sent any money yet.
This is all we can afford.
Elle, mop the floor. And don't miss any spot. Take out the trash properly. Don't drag it like that.
No, this can't be. Dad has been sending me money?
Uncle Robert! Look at this!
That means nothing. We never received any money.
But it says here that.
There is no money from your father. Now go and complete your chores.
This boy is becoming a problem.
We need to do something.
I already know what to do. You want to disgrace us? We shall see!
Why are you so careless? Get out of my house now!
Get out of here right now! You are still here? Get out!
Elle? What are you doing out here in the rain?
They told me to leave.
Come with me. You're safe now.
My uncle and his wife, they are thieves. I must prove myself.
I will try hard to be a cop.
I must join the police academy like Dad. Justice must prevail.
Congratulations, Officer Carter.
Thank you, sir.
Your dedication is noted.
I appreciate it, sir.
Keep up the good work.
Yes, sir.
Find out the truth. Inside.
My uncle and his wife have been stealing from me.
Sir, your uncle and his wife received money every month.
How much?
$250,000 over 10 years.
They stole from me. They must pay now.
Alpha team, move up.
Bravo, cover the rear.
Copy that. Moving to position.
Elle, is that you?
Is that you? Elle, is that you?
You lied. You stole. You abused me.
Please.
Forgive us, Menace. Justice must be done. Officers, take him away.
Elle. Dad? You have become a great man.
I learned from you, Dad.